from Dr. Dolittle too. Ugh. So fine, if you weren't gonna go get this for movies, what were the games like? Well, this is where the story gets really, really sad. There are only 8 Nuon games that were ever released. Ballistic, which is a port of a puzzle game available on the PlayStation. The game was packed in with one of the models of the Nuon. The next Tetris, another bundled-in game, also available on the PlayStation, and Iron Soldier 3, the third part in a series of games that came out for the Atari Jaguar. Like the last 2 games, though, this one is also available on the PlayStation. But then we come to Space Invaders XL. Finally, a game not available on any other platform. However, it doesn't need to be. The game is pretty much a slightly more colorful Space Invaders. Really putting that 128-bit chip to the limits with this game. Why even bother? Now the next game is funny. Technically, Nuon does indeed have only 8 released games, but one of them was released on a Korean Nuon system that was region locked.